Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. In today's video I will show you how to braid this kind of crystal using seed beads. Let's start. First of all, take 28 seed beads. I have Japanese seed beads. We will use Japanese seed beads and Czech seed beads. First of all, take 28 Japanese seed beads. Then go around them one more time to make a circle. For it you will need around 1 meter of the thread or even less, but it is always better to take more thread and be sure that you will have enough. I will pass through my seed beads. I will make a knot. And I will pass to the next seed bead. Now I will work with Japanese seed beads as well. Take one seed bead, skip one and enter to the next. Again one seed bead, skip one and enter to the next. We continue the same till we finish our round. Always skip one and enter to the next. Our last seed bead in this row will go as a step up. We will enter to the last bead of our first row and then to the first seed bead of our second row. This way. This will be our step up. One more row of Japanese seed beads. And then we will start with Czech seed beads. As you can see, Japanese seed beads here I have TOHO, and those are a bit more squarish than Czech seed beads. And we will make a step up with our last seed bead in this row. Take our crystal, insert it here, measure it, and now we will work with Czech seed beads. All the same as we did previously. Insert our crystal and continue. Here we have a step up. Next row as well will be with Czech seed beads. Be careful here. Careful and slowly, because we need to braid our crystal very well. Step up here. Now we will work with smaller seed beads. I have Czech seed beads in size 13. And we continue the same technique, but this time with the smaller seed beads. and our last seed bead in this row. And we have finished to braid our crystal. As I will need it for inside for one of my projects, I will leave it this way. Crystal will be attached to the felt for my next project. This part won't be visible. Our braided crystal is ready. This is the simplest technique you can use, because sometimes when your project is visible from the back, you will need to hide this part as well. If it is interesting for you that I will show you how you can hide this part with seed beads, please comment below. My next step will be here. I will weave my thread around the crystal. I will pass down to the back side of the crystal. I will make a knot here as well. Pass a bit further here, and I will cut my thread. Same I will do with my other thread. My braided crystal is ready. If you are interested for more tutorials like this, for example, I can show you how to finish this part for your project where backside will be visible, comment below, as well as maybe you would like to see how I will create the flower out of it. Comment below if you have any questions or suggestions, or maybe you have some idea of what is interesting for you for my next tutorials. I will be very happy to hear feedback from you, and thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye!